everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be unboxing the June Glossybox. I'm only in the next month, but they've been really bad lately for sending stuff out on time. And I know that, there's a pandemic and everything, but it's been 3 months in a row consistently. And the last couple of months, there's been replacements in my box, but no note to say what the value of the stuff that they changed in was. So it just makes it a little bit frustrating. So hopefully that doesn't happen this time. So this is, I believe it's $21 a month US. And it usually has about 5 to 7 products, both full size and deluxe samples. So we'll see what we have. Oh, we got some stuff on the outside of the box. What do we have? So from Vital Proteins, a collagen peptide, unflavored dietary supplement. Ooh, a little bonus. And then it's just the standard pink box for the month of June. May's was a really pretty sunburst. So yeah. And then when you open it up, it's always, they do a good job of putting care into packaging it. So this will tell us the prices of our items, and that's just the way the box comes. So we'll dig in and see what we got. It feels really heavy this month, so that's promising. Okay, so digging in, I can see what was so hefty in this box, but yeah, let's pull out this big giant thing just because I'm intrigued. So it's cardboard. That's weird. So this is Seed Phytonutrients Moisture Conditioner, supporting independent American farmers who grow our sunflower seeds with hydrating meadow foam seed oil for dry and damaged hair. So we have a nice conditioner. I know, really, you see that? It's cardboard. It's weird. But, cute. This eco-friendly bottle is made from recycled material, is shower-friendly, and uses 60% less plastic than a traditional bottle. Once empty, split the bottle open and discover our heirloom seed packet inside. Then compost the paper bottle and recycle the liner. Oh, that's cool. So it actually comes with some seeds in there. Oh, that's very neat. I like that. That's a very cool idea. All right. All right, next up we've got a bottle from Niobe. I think that's how you say that brand. This is a Olympiad facial swab. Don't know what that is. And you can't see without your glass. Facial gel cleanser with slightly acidic pH, formulated to delicately clean daily impurities while respecting the skin's acid mantle. Perfect to use alone, or as a second step for double cleansing for normal combination skin. I can read. I just take off my glasses for the video so that there's not glare from my ring light. So I'm able to read, but the writing on this is super tiny. So please excuse me. All right, next up from Tillie, I'm sorry, I don't know how to say that brand. This is an antioxidant-rich face oil, crafted for beauty. Good for 15 days daily skin ritual of morning and night use, so that's good. So this lightweight, non-greasy formula utilizes only the best that Mother Earth has to offer. Peely oil is rich in natural antioxidants that protect skin from environmental aggressors and free radicals. These rare and precious extracts, found only in the Bicol region of the Philippines, moisturize, revitalize, and nourish skin from deep within. Well, that's good. Now if I can get into the box. It went in from, oh look, that's supposed to last for 15 days and nights. Crazy. It's super cute though. I thought it would be good for like a Barbie afterwards. So this is 3 milliliters. It's teeny tiny and cute. Okay, next up, I don't know. PW is the brand. Oh, here we go. Piper Way Natural Deodorant. What? So it says natural deodorant made with activated charcoal. No charcoal. Apply pea-sized amount with dry hands directly to underarm skin. No aluminum, parabens, or synthetic fragrance. And it's vegan and cruelty-free. It is. So that's different. A natural deodorant. It's nice not to put all that toxic stuff into your body. But if it doesn't work, it's not really that helpful to me. So, oh, weird. Whoop. That is a weird looking thing. What does it feel like? So it feels like, I don't know if you can see that. It's like a clay. It's definitely not odor free or fragrance free. But that's cute, weird, different. I'll give it a try. And then our last item is from Josephine Cosmetics. What do we have here? Do You Natural Flawless Liquid Highlighter. So, this is what I was supposed to get in my May Glossybox, and they replaced it with a Bella Pierre setting spray. So I'd be interested to see if this is on that card. So we've got a liquid highlighter. Very nice, cute packaging in the shade Claire. Let's see how we would apply this. Just a doe foot, I'm guessing. Kind of, sort of. So let's see what it looks like on our skin. So it's that bottom one. That's got a really nice reflective highlighting quality. It works in nicely to the skin there as well. So that's nice. I'll definitely use that. I tend to use more powdered highlighters, but I do have a lot of liquid highlighters as well that I should probably start using. So let's get some pricing. All right, please let me have got everything that they said I was going to get. So, from Seed Phytonutrients, the moisture conditioner is $18. That's full size. The Niobe Cosmetics cleanser, full size, $18.20. The Piper Way natural deodorant. So this is a deluxe mini for that's $6. A full size is $13. Well, they also give you a top tip, rub into skin with fingers until completely clear. Reapply after bathing and exercise. The Josephine Cosmetics highlight. This is full size, $36. Their top tip, swipe onto skin and blend with fingertips into cheeks, nose, brow bone, or use on the eyelids for a subtle fresh finish. Yeah, that would make a nice eyeshadow as well. And then the Tillie, however you say that, Ageless Concentrate. This is a deluxe mini at $8, and the full size is $62. And the top tip is to gently pat 2 to 3 drops all over your face, neck, and décolletage, and follow with the moisturizer. All right, so let's see what our value is. Okay, I did the calculations, and it is $86.20. So we got our value. And I'll use all of these things, I think. Yeah. So favorites, I just think this is really cool. Especially that you get seeds when you're done. That's very unique. I've never seen anything like that. So I'm going to pick that as my favorite. And then this concentrate. And then the highlighter. And then this cleanser and the natural deodorant. There's very interesting things in this box. And I got everything that they said I was going to get. So the only thing that I would complain about right now, because I have to complain about something, would be that's taken forever to get these boxes lately. Oh, and yes, and we also got these 2 Vital Protein bonuses. So that's nice. Thank you, Glossybox, for the extra. So I want to thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to make videos more regularly, but it's been a struggle. But yeah, if you wouldn't mind liking this video, you can hit like down below. You can click here to subscribe, and there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.